guys, I'm with my cousins,
Melanie.
Julian, Rose.
Well, Rose
And
is
I'm
Hunter.
only 19.
Rose is actually Hunter's sister. And today we're going to be trying out our slimes that we got from Rose's birthday. So we're each going to pick one and yeah.
And don't mind the noise in the back.
Yeah, don't mind the noise in the back because it's our parents. I'm going to grab this one. And Hunter's gonna grab that one. Me, Rose, and Hunter have the same brand of slime, and Juju's is different.
Yours, horror.
And mine is the original, and Rose's and Hunter's is the horror. They have like little bugs in them. And yeah. My brother's in the back. Say what's up, Chris.
Hi.
Christopher. And we're just gonna play with it. So I feel like these glow in the dark, but they don't because it would say it would. These are like very stretchy.
These ones just have bugs in them, spiders. I'll try to get one out right now.
This brand is like very sticky, like it will get your hand pink. But yeah,
And mine
let's
is
not
the
put it over the
horror.
couch because Thea's gonna get mad. Okay.
And this is not our home. This is our aunt's home.
Yeah.
And it's already dark outside. And this is our No, this is my video.
So what I'm gonna show you guys is
This is one of the bugs.
yeah, that's like a little spider.
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is show you guys up close the slimes. So this one is mine. This pink one and this orange one is mine. And
The
Juju
yellow
showed us.
and green one is
That
mine.
one's mine too. And then this
The yellow and
That
green
one's-
one is mine.
is hers. So yeah.
I want to keep this one.
No.
Ew, somebody farted.
Ew, why would you say that? Someone did fart. It's the slime.
It's a fly.
Yeah, the slime makes fart noises.
Uh-huh.
Okay, now we're each are gonna trade, like, use other ones. So, Stella, come here.
Stella.
This is my aunt's dog, Stella.
Ah, you stepped on my foot.
Oh, sorry. Okay, now we're gonna be switching. I'm gonna use this one, Rose's. It's the same brand.
Can I switch for that one?
I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so you could use mine. Okay. So Juju got the horror. You can use mine. We're switching now.
Whoa.
This one looks like it glows in the dark since it's like a green, like a neon green. Here, let me see what it says.
It's yellow.
It's neon green. It says the slippery, gooey stuff.
Never smell?
Yeah. These smell like.
Viewers, if you're watching, smell this.
Another one.
Viewers, if you're watching, smell this.
Oh,
Let's just smell. This is
ew, Hunter. That's nasty. That's nasty.
It was
Hunter farted. Slime prank.
Slime-o. Smell the slime again. It smells super good.
Okay, now we're gonna switch again. Now I'm gonna get this one.
Ew. Who farted? I'm shady for this one.
Rose is munching on candy. This one doesn't stretch as much. It really breaks. It comes in like the little ball capsules.
I
This
like
is like
this.
galaxy slime.
Oh! No. No!
Yeah, I really don't like this one, so I'm gonna get another one. And yeah, me and Juju are like literally our first times like doing a YouTube video.
And this is by.
Here. Yeah, on his channel.
I have a 13 more
In the
videos.
comments, tell him if he should quit his YouTube channel or if he should keep doing it. And
Because I want to get, if I get to if he gets to 5 likes. No, if I get to 1,000 subscribes, I want to do a party video with my cousin.
either mine is on in 1 month more. I don't know when, but it's in December.
Mhm.
Ew, I found
Mine
bugs.
is in January.
I found 1 bug. I'm gonna see how many bugs I could find.
No.
Oh my god, I only found 1. Oh, I found more.
I'm gonna see if I can. Oh, find we
Oh,
made
this.
4.
You cannot find any bugs in that. Actually.
I love lower bubble.
Found another one. Okay. Y otro.
Did you see it, Melanie? Melanie, look it. Did you see it? Look at Melanie. Keep looking.
And I only found 3 of them, so I'm gonna put them back in my cap, in my thing. I'm gonna put 1 in the bottom. Oh my god! I'm gonna try to do that.
You're coldly doing with this one. You have a clear one. You coldly. Oh! I want to try.
Oh my god, my face.
I want to try.
Juju, wait.
Oh. I want to try. Oh, they have a horse.
Look.
They have a horse.
Where?
Right there. I rode
Oh.
her.
Stella. Come here, Stella. Want it? Come here, Stella.
Go get your butt. Get your butt. Get your butt.
She won't come in the video. She's right here.
She's in my spot.
Let's see who can blow a bubble contest.
That's her. That's her.
Okay, let's blow a bubble contest.
No. I blew the biggest bubble.
No, you didn't. I was looking.
Look it, I can't.
You sound so weird. Okay, so I'm gonna put 1. Jesus.
Gee! Oh!
Slime.
What did I do? I'm gonna put back this slime.
Yo también, yo pensé que la novia se estaba quemando.
But if you heard this back here, that it's the video. It's actually not the end of the video. Bye. Bye.
Okay, so I'm
gonna-
guessing we're gonna end the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. Oh my God.
And comment.
Comment what's your favorite color. Say hi to the vlog, Kevin.
Hi.
Okay, so Melanie's out. Hunter's out. Say Hunter's out.
I'm out. I'm out.
Bye. Peace.